how to add Google search widget on home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, just click and hold on screen. Now here, so click on widgets. So after click on widgets, scroll down and you will see click on Google. So after click on Google, scroll down. So if you want to add Google search widget, so you will see Google search widget is here. So click on Google search widget and click on add. So you will see Google search widget is add on home screen. So after the process, click on screen, you will see add Google widget on home screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add Google search widget on home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.